प्यारे बच्चों, आज का टॉपिक है अलजेब्रा, चेंजिंग द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए फॉर्मूला। चेंजिंग द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए फॉर्मूला में जैसे हम लोग जानते हैं इंटरेस्ट इक्वल टू हम लोग क्या जानते हैं, P इंटू आर बाई 100 into T, P for principal, R for rate of interest, T for time. Now, suppose P is given, R is given, T is given, then you can find interest like this. But if you want to know P, then P equal to what? P equal to I for interest into 100 by R into T. Like this is changing. Suppose you want to know the T, what is T, then what will happen? This will come again interest, I for interest into 100 by P into R. So this is the changing of the formula. Here it is given, the question, first question given, if I equal to NE by R, capital R plus N into R. This is the formula of electric current. So now it is here is given, find N. If I equal to 4 and R resistance R is equal to 4, E equal to 24 and R equal to 10. So then just you write here, when I equal to N into E equal to 24, you can write here 24 first, and this R equal to 10, you write here R equal to 10 plus N equal to, you don't know N, so you write N, and this R equal to 4. यहाँ लिख दीजिए अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन वैल्यू, अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन वैल्यू, सिंपल, आपको कोई ट्विस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन वैल्यू, बस ये आपका हो गया मैथ करने का स्टाइल। आप यदि इसको फॉलो करते हैं यू विल गेट द गुड स्कोर। अब नाउ गुड मार्क्स लेने के लिए यही नियम करना। नाउ I equal to how much? I equal to 4. You write here I equal to 4. In next line you can write I equal to 4. First you write the formula, then you put the value like this. Now it is what? It is 4 into 10, 40. Direct you write plus 4 into 4, 16 into n. Simply equal to 24n. Now you see 40 equal to 24n minus 16n. Therefore n equal to, or you can write in another line 8n. Therefore n equal to 5. 40 by 8. Therefore n equal to 5. Simple. Question asked what is the value of n? You have find out the value of n equal to 5. This answer. Second question like this, P by Q equal to a square plus 2b by a square minus 2b, where b equal to 2, p equal to 5 and q equal to 4. Find a. First line you just write P by Q. Total don't change in a single line. You write a square plus 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 into 2, and this is a square minus 2 into 2. Finished. In second line, P equal to how much? P equal to 5. You write 5 into a square minus 4, and Q equal to how much? Q equal to 4. You write here q equal to 4 and a square plus 4. Now you see 5a square, 5, you just put when sign and therefore sign 5a square minus 20 equal to 4a square plus 16. Just you see like this. Now it is interchanging. What will come? 5a square minus 4a square equal to 16 plus 20. You will get therefore a square equal to 36. Therefore a equal to plus minus 6. Why plus minus 6? Because 6 into 6 equal to 36 and minus 6 into minus 6 is equal to 36. Here, this is the answer. Now you can understand how the formula is changing from one to others. If you have any doubt, please put comment, and those who are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe and share these videos if you like it. Thank you very much.